This is I was using MongoDB to save the entire HTML of a web page and the JSON that I get from the API. That's something that makes sense. Well, MongoDB isn't made for HTTP for HTML storage. It's like MongoDB is for like a document storage in the form of JSON. But I think that's something that could work. That would make sense. I'm not sure what the JSON is that you get from the API, but yeah, that's something that to keep together and to work with. The as I said, the thing that what I'm not sure about is like if you already have it in MongoDB and MongoDB is very powerful, why would you need a Postgres database here? Just because you can run SQL queries, but if you already have it there, that might be not so practical.